Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Avast antivirus software for absolutely free. Here's the way you do it. First of all, you want to open up a new browser. Once the browser is open, I want you to go to Google and type in Avast free antivirus. Click it. And what I want you to do is find the actual avast.com. Make sure that's the one you're actually clicking on and say free antivirus. You can probably click here. And basically offer a free version that will give you rudimentary virus protection without you paying. And if you want to upgrade to a more advanced version, you can, but this will give you virus protection for absolutely free for Windows 10, Windows 7, and such and such. So go ahead and click download. It's basically showing you how you to do it. And once you do that, there it go. It currently is downloading, as you see here. You can click close, and then what I'm going to do is go here and you can just click open, and we can go ahead and close the browser while the install process starts. Just be patient while it gets everything done. Keep in mind, this is a free version. They do offer a premium version that does even more, but the free version still looks for malware. It still looks for viruses. It still lets you know when you're going to unsafe websites. Now, if you want any additional offers, then make sure that you click off that right here saying install free antivirus secure browser. So you may not want it to take over your browser, but they do have a version that is a secure browser. It's not Edge, it's not Chrome, it's their own browser that basically has antivirus software in there that it can basically protect your system for. So then you would click install, and then you would just follow each step of the install process till the software is 100% installed, and that's pretty much it. You'll have access to free virus scanning software that easy. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.